In the number of the day activity, the kids locate their name on the bottom and click on their tab. So I'm going to be SpongeBob right now. And they choose a number that's between 20 and 100. So let's say my number is going to be 25. So in expanded notation, that's going to be 20 plus 5. They come down here and they can identify how many 10s 20 makes and how many ones are left over. Or if they want to go see the visual first, they can come over here to the 10 frames and they can type in single digit numbers to fill in 25. So I'm going to do that real quick. And voila. So then over here they have a clear visual that there are two 10s and there are 5 ones. Then they can come down to the incredible equations place and they can just kind of play with numbers and type in an equation that has the value of their number of the day. So if I wanted to do 10 plus 10 plus 5 equals 25, then they can come over to the next, they can tab over to the next cell and they can check their answer with the formula by typing in with the equal sign and typing that equation again to see if it was right. And so when they hit the enter key, then they have to see, does their number match up with the number that they had for their equation. So if you've noticed, in the yellow cells is where the kid is typing in their number of the day. So right here in what Corey and I called the fidget spinner is going to go their number of the day. Oops. And so they have to think of 10 less mentally. So this one's going to be 15. What is one more? 26. And later on, they have like a section where they're going to be explaining their thinking. It's important that the kids think about, why does this make sense? How do I know that 10 less than 25 is 15? So you get the idea with that. But down here, the kids have the opportunity to learn some self-referencing. There's a video right here that explains how to do the self-referencing in case the kids have forgotten um, or they haven't learned it before. But it's just they're checking to see pretty much if their answers are correct with the self-referencing. So when you're self-referencing, you are referencing a cell so that way you don't have to type something in when you're doing a formula. So how that works is they're going to type in the cell where they're working, hit the equal sign to type a formula. So what cell are they going to reference? They're going to reference the cell with 25 in it. So that's W30 for our example, and they're thinking of 10 less. What symbol do I need for 10 less? The subtraction, and I want 10 less. So they check their answer. Does my answer match? Yes, it does. Here, I'll do it one more time just for demoing purposes. So if I want to cell reference something, start with the equal sign, click on the cell that I want to reference, and then this one I'm going to be adding 1. So I need to do a plus sign and 1, hit the enter key, and that's my answer. Again, down here, the kids can do a screencast or some kind of webcam recording and paste the link to their video here explaining their thinking of how they went through this activity, what strategies applied, and the reasoning behind them.